Hey, it's Dr. Mo here again at Chiropractic Care Center. Today I have Miss Carla. Miss Carla is here. She doesn't speak English. Hardly any, right?
No.
Not really. Coach Rios you've seen before and his son before on my videos. Yes. Now we got his sister, Miss Carla. So she's never been adjusted before.
Never.
Her hip was off a little bit, tightness in there, so I'm just going to adjust everything. Her upper back is tight a little, so I'm going to adjust from the beginning. She just had muscle stem. She just had heat. She's nice and relaxed, so we're going to go. So here we go. So he's going to translate.
Okay.
So you're going to sit, lay down, face this way.
Sentarte así de lado viéndolo a él. Sí.
What a good translator. Straight this. Just so you know, if you don't speak English and you come in here, we just kind of talk it out. There's no translator. But there's usually someone here that speaks Spanish. All right, here we go. Deep breath.
Respira profundo.
All the way, I tell her relax.
Relájate ahora.
There it is. Good. Nice. Her face is awesome. Face that way for me.
Ahora del otro lado.
You never got adjusted. It's one of the best feelings I've had. Beautiful. This. Perfect. Deep breath. All the way out. Oh, nice. Oh, sweet. You okay? Boca abajo.
Boca abajo.
Yeah. He translates boca abajo. Perfect. All right. Again, deep breath.
Respira profundo.
All the way out. Oh man, she's tight. Good. Boca arriba.
Boca arriba ahora.
What did she say?
This is boca arriba. She said, I want to stay like that.
All right, here we go. Oh, you're fine. All right, here we go. Relax. One more. Uno más. You did awesome. She's like, what did you get me into, Coach Rios? Oh. She's like, let's take my earrings off so you. Oh. Man, her occiput is so loose up here.
Yeah.
Nice. You okay? Not a happy customer. Hey,
yeah.
If you're out there, you're watching, get in here. Stop taking your time. Don't put popcorn and watch me all day. Take care. See you next time.